In this video, we'll show you how to use the Pfaff 8312 ultrasonic welding machine. This machine fuses materials together instead of sewing them using ultrasonic vibration. First, turn the machine on. The machine has a touchscreen display. Touch the button in the top left corner and adjust your settings. The P setting indicates a power setting. The power can be just adjusted from 2 to 400. You can input your power setting by simply touching the numbers on the screen or using the arrows to move the power setting up and down. Plus, press enter when ready. We suggest that you start with the power of 200 and then adjust accordingly. The second setting adjustment that you can make is the speed. The speed can be adjusted from 0 to 10 rotations per minute. We suggest that you start with 2 rotations as your setting when beginning on this machine. This can also be adjusted as needed. The third setting is pressure. Pressure can range from 0 to 500. We suggest that you use setting 250 pressure. Sure. In order to begin, the other buttons along the bottom edge of the display indicate pressure direction of the rotation of the wheel. The function for tacking or making isolated dots on the surface instead of a welded seam. The machine has 2 different patterns that can be created or welded. One is a diagonal hatch pattern, and the other is a dotted pattern that looks like a sewing seam. These wheels can be removed and replaced by simply locking the machine on the screen as indicated here in the video. Opening up the drawer and using the Allen wrench to loosen the nut. Remove the wheel, but don't lose the pieces. Replace the wheel by aligning the rubber gasket and placing it firmly onto the post. Replace the nut, tighten it down, and you're ready to weld with a different pattern. You must unlock the machine before the machine will work again. All materials that you need for the machine are nearby to the machine by the workstation. The manual will allow you to see some different settings of the machine. Another reference guide will show you the different patterns that are available for this machine. Although for our purposes, we have 2 different wheels that can create 2 different patterns. The silver plate that you see in the middle is the knife. This can also be attached to the machine, in combination with the anvil wheels that create the pattern to cut the material as you sew. Don't lose any of the screws, and don't remove the Allen wrench from the drawer. To replace the knife, simply remove the wheel as indicated before. Insert the knife closest to the post, and then add the anvil wheel to the outside. These 2 should be sandwiched together.